Today's video is all about cats. It is believed that a cat has the ability to communicate with the non-physical realm effortlessly. They can easily see, hear, and smell things we can't. And this is evident when a cat appears to be fixated on something we can't see. Cats have always been considered spiritually enlightened creatures, with ancient Egyptians worshiping them for their sacred connection to Bastet, a goddess of protection and warfare. Egyptians believed cats were magical creatures, capable of bringing good luck to the people who housed them. Cats in general are often associated with good luck. For example, the Maneki-Neko is a Japanese figurine which is often believed to bring good luck to a business owner. The cat has its paw raised as if it's waving in good fortune. Did you know that a cat's purr has the power to heal? According to scienceworld.ca, researchers found a low-frequency hum of purring at 25 to 50 hertz could stimulate muscles and even promote bone healing. Wow! Cats are best known for their independent nature and their ability to live contentedly in their own company. Many lessons can be learned from a cat. For example, unlike a dog who always aims to please, a cat will not hesitate to demonstrate their boundaries. Cats teach us to know our worth and never settle for anything less than we deserve. There's a reason why people say, "You don't own cats, they own you." Cats teach us the importance of sleep. They have the ability to make the most of their energy, and they know when it's time to rest. In other words, their natural rhythm is in alignment with Taoism, as they can alternate between action and sleep effortlessly. They also demonstrate the importance of a nap, hence the phrase catnap. Cats teach us the importance of quiet sitting, the Neo-Confucian meditation practice known as Qing Xiu, another form of stillness, as beautifully demonstrated here. Cats teach us the importance of being pampered. Not only does pampering help to improve our mental and physical health, it's also one of the best ways to practice self-love. We should never underestimate the benefits of being pampered. Cats teach us the importance of being free to do what makes us happy. It's important to pay attention to how our energy feels, as this will have a direct effect on the quality of our life. And we are always at our best when we're doing what makes us happy. Cats teach us the importance of discernment. We shouldn't be fooled by the attractive packaging. Instead, we should trust our intuition, as our inner guidance will never lead us astray. Cats teach us to always be aware of our surroundings. The reality is, we live in a world of unpredictable behavior. The ability to be alert to potentially dangerous situations will help us to react more effectively. Cats teach us the importance of observing our neighborhood. Taking the time to observe our neighbors helps us to understand the vibe of our community. However, some cats may take it a bit too far. Have you ever walked by a house and felt like you were being watched? Yeah, you probably are. Cats teach us about the benefits of the sun. Vitamin D is essential to our health, and we can all learn from a cat by enjoying the warmth of a sunny spot. Cats teach us the importance of personal grooming. Good personal hygiene not only helps prevent the spread of illness and infection, it also boosts our confidence and self-esteem. We owe it to ourselves, as well as those around us. Cats remind us that cleanliness is next to godliness. Cats teach us the importance of enjoying our own company. Learning to enjoy our own company is the key to our well-being. A fear of being alone can often lead to unhealthy attachments and codependent relationships. When you're comfortable in your own company, you're able to be more discerning with who you choose to share your life with. And finally, cats teach us the importance of having a curious spirit. Curiosity keeps our mind active, and mental exercises help keep our mind healthy. Having said that, there is a danger to being overly inquisitive because, as they say, curiosity killed the cat. Cats will forever be revered for their mysticism and ability to energetically demonstrate their wisdom by their very presence. I have a quote I'd like to share with you. This quote is by Eckhart Tolle. I have lived with several Zen masters, all of them cats. Well, this is all I have for today. Thanks so much for joining me. And if you have any questions or you'd simply like to connect, feel free to do so through my personal email. I've listed it in the description below. Until we meet again, be safe and make sure to keep paying attention to your karma. It's our greatest teacher.